my what?
The go-to thing.
Oh, so you're doing it now? Oh. Oh. Oh boy, who's that?
Boy.
Where's oh boy? Who's that?
Bad boy. You wanna have to buy because alcohol is expensive. Yo,
Yeah,
everything is expensive here.
Guys, yesterday I ordered wine at the hotel. Shop. I look at I order wine. Let me not explain further, but like I order wine, they bring it to the room. He tells me the price. I'm like, yeah, fine. Like I didn't even hear what he said, guys. Like I was like, yeah, fine. I pay. He leaves. Like after a while, I'm like, hey man, let me check my app. I check, guys. That red wine was 3K.
Bruh.
In rands. 3K. I could have bought champagne. Literally. I could have.
And the food.
Okay, the food was
almost
no.
It was 2 point something.
Sharp. That's okay. But one bottle of wine, 3K. So how much is champagne?
Shit.
Guys, I kept on saying every time I poured a glass, I kept on saying, let me drink my 3K wine because what the 3K, guys. I could have bought champagne. Like, do you guys understand? I could have bought myself some, Moët nectar because that's my thing. Do you understand? Specializing lads. So I think I'm gonna have to. Yes, I should have done braids, guys. Like I should have done braids. So now I feel like I'm gonna have to buy a wig. And they must install me because, guys, it's not looking good, hey? Like, it's not looking good. And you guys know, I like a fresh hairstyle. I love me a fresh. Shuthi mina ke ngathi badubule uba lo president lo abamdubule indlebe.
Trump.
Shuthi mina ngathi badubule uTrump. Clueless wig. Oh, actually, that is a plan. But guys, I'm such a full frontal babe, hey? I am such a full frontal babe.
Do you feel the sun in this Dubai?
Yeah, no, it's
more than that.
More than that.
No, it's the humidity.
But yeah, I was so trumps. There was a reason we gave you before you left. Please eat, we will organize again. Okay, I'm bringing the 3K wine again tonight. I'm buying it again. Are you jealous?
No, I'm watching you.
Guys, he's giving me a side eye. He's giving me a side eye. It's even red wine, Chemi, and a red wine gives me a headache. I don't even be drinking red wine like that. Anyways, guys, I think we're jealous. Do you want your life back?
Not the cap, bro.
Do you want your life back? Did you see how many people are on this live? Anyway, what else? Oh, so we landed at around